Hello guys, this is Shufia. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to start a new chapter. The name of the chapter is Triangles and its properties. So today I am going to make introductory video, and this video will be in two parts. And before starting the main topic, let me discuss basics of triangles in 3 steps. So step number 1. What is a triangle? A triangle is a closed figure bounded by 3 line segments. And basic elements of a triangle are sides, angles, and vertices. In a triangle ABC, you see AB, BC, and CA are 3 sides, and angle CAB, or we can say angle A, angle B, angle C are 3 angles, and corners A, B, C are 3 vertices, which is the plural of vertex. Here A is a vertex, B is a vertex, and C is a vertex. Step number 2. Classification of triangles on the basis of their sides. Types are equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, scalene triangle. Number 1. Equilateral triangle. The definition is given in the name itself. Equi means equal and lateral means sides. That means a triangle in which all the sides are equal is called an equilateral triangle. Here in triangle PQR, PQ is equal to QR is equal to RP. Since all the sides are equal, so all the angles of an equilateral triangle are equal, with each angle measuring 60 degrees. Type number 2. Isosceles triangle. A triangle in which 2 sides are equal is called an isosceles triangle. Has equal angles opposite to equal sides. In the figure you see 2 sides and their corresponding opposite angles are equal. Number 3. Scalene triangle. A triangle in which all the sides are unequal is called a scalene triangle. That is in figure ABC, AB is not equal to BC, which is not equal to CA. And as a result, of course, all the 3 angles of a scalene triangle are different. Step number 3. Classification of triangles on the basis of their angles. There are 3 types. Number 1, acute triangle. Number 2, right triangle. Number 3, obtuse triangle. Type number 1, acute angle triangle. A triangle in which each angle is acute, that is less than 90 degree, is called an acute triangle or acute angle triangle. In these figures, measures of each angle is less than 90 degree. Okay. And type number 2, right angle triangle or right triangle. A triangle in which any one angle is right angle, that is 90 degree, is called a right angle. Number 3, obtuse angle triangle or obtuse triangle. A triangle in which any one angle is obtuse, that is greater than 90 degree, is called an obtuse triangle. Now what is median? A median of a triangle is a line segment joining a vertex to the midpoint of the side opposite to that vertex. Okay. In figure 1, you see AM is the median because one of its endpoint is A, that is on vertex, and other endpoint is the point M, which is the midpoint of the side BC opposite to A. Another one is starting from B and midpoint of AC is N, so this BN is the median. And again, if we start from the vertex C, and this CO is the median, which is joining the midpoint of AB, that means O, with C on vertex. That means there are all total 3 medians are there, as 3 vertices are there, and these 3 medians always meet at a point inside the triangle. Okay. And irrespective of the types, these medians always meet at a single point in each triangle. 3 medians intersect at one point inside the triangle, and this point is known as the centroid of the triangle. Okay. So next, let's move on to the next topic, which is altitude of a triangle. So what is altitude? An altitude of a triangle is a perpendicular drawn from a vertex to the side opposite to it. Okay. Now here I have drawn one triangle in 3 places, same triangle in 3 places, and from all the vertices we are drawing this altitude. So in figure 1 you see AP is perpendicular to BC. In case of median, actually we have not drawn perpendiculars, we have drawn the midpoint of the line with the vertex. Now here this may not be midpoint, this P, but this AP should be perpendicular. That means AP should make 90 degree with this BC. Then we will say that this AP is an altitude of this triangle ABC. Similarly, you see in figure 2 also this BQ has one endpoint at vertex B and the other on the line containing the opposite side AC. Okay. Then this BQ is the altitude, and this AC, BC, AB, these lines are called corresponding base. This AP is an altitude and BC is the corresponding base. Similarly, in figure 3 also, CR is the altitude from C to AB. These altitudes may be inside the triangle or coincide with the side or lie outside the triangle also. But in every triangle, the 3 altitudes meet at one point, and this point of intersection is known as orthocenter. Okay, this is about orthocenter. So let's move on to the next topic, which are the properties of triangles. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and share the video. And if you have any doubt, you can share it in below comment section. So see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.